friends. Today we're going to have a lesson exploring the first basket of sandpaper letter sounds. Would you like to join me? Okay. The first sound we are going to look at is mm. Can you say that with me? Mm. Mm is represented by this letter, M. Mm is traced like this. Mm. Can you say it? Mm. Thank you. Our next sound is P. Can you watch my lips and do it with me? P. We pop our lips for the sound P. Very good. The sound P is represented by the letter P. Let's trace. Will you do it with me? Down, up, and around. P. Our next sound is S. Teeth together, lips open, S, like a snake. The sound S is represented by the letter S. Can you say it with me? S. Let's trace S. S. Our next sound is T. When we make a T sound, our teeth are together and our tongue taps the roof of our mouth. Are you ready? T. T. T is represented by the letter T. T. Our next sound is Ah. We open our mouth and say it from our throat. Ah. Ah is represented by the letter A. Ah. Our last sound is Ah. My lips make a circle like Ah. Ah is represented by the letter O. Ah. We found all of our sounds for this basket. Would you like to match pictures with me? Okay, let's go over the letters one more time. Are you ready? M represents the sound mm. Can you put your lips together and do it with me? Mm. Very good. P makes the sound P. Can you do it with me? P. Nice. S represents the sound S. Did you do it? S, like a snake. T represents the sound T. Teeth together, tongue on the roof of your mouth. T. Very good. A represents the sound Ah. Can you say it with me? Ah. Very good. Our last letter is O. O represents the sound Ah. Can you say it with me? Ah. Very good. Let's find our pictures. This girl is looking at a map. Map. What letter makes the sound for map? Map. Ant. 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 Pineapple. Pig, pineapple. This is a spinning top, top. Top. T. Sun. Sun. Apple. Apple. Ant, apple. Seal. Seal, sun, match. Octopus, octopus. Octopus. Male. Male. 10. 10, top. Saw. Saw, sun, seal. Magnet. Magnet, male. Tomato. Tomato, top, 10. Pan. Pan, pineapple, pig. Let's count the sides so we know what shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8-sided polygon is an octagon. Octagon. Octagon, octopus. Alligator. Alligator. Ant, apple. Otter. Otter, octopus, octagon. We found all of our sound matches. Thanks for helping me, friends. See you next time.